The smartphone market is constantly evolving. New contenders are always emerging. Two of the latest devices to grab attention are the Poco X6 Pro and the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Both phones promise a lot for their price point. They offer a mix of features that appeal to a wide range of users. In this comparison, we'll dive deep into the specs, features, and overall value proposition of each device. The Poco X6 Pro and Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus are vying for your attention. They offer tempting features at an affordable price. But which one comes out on top? We'll examine their strengths and weaknesses to help you make the right decision. Whether you prioritize performance, camera quality, battery life, or simply value for money, this comparison will guide you. The Poco X6 Pro boasts a modern, sleek design with a minimalist approach. It features a flat display with slim bezels, giving it a premium look and feel. The phone is lightweight and comfortable to hold thanks to its ergonomic design. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus sports a more vibrant and eye-catching design. It features a curved display that blends seamlessly into the frame, giving it a more immersive viewing experience. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is also slightly larger than the Poco X6 Pro, which may be a factor for users with smaller hands. Both phones offer a range of features designed to enhance the user experience. The Poco X6 Pro includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature that is becoming increasingly rare in modern smartphones. It also features NFC for contactless payments and other convenient applications. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, however, boasts an IP53 rating for dust and water resistance, giving it an edge in terms of durability. It also features stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Under the hood, the Poco X6 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. This chipset delivers impressive performance, allowing for smooth multitasking and demanding gaming. It is paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, on the other hand, is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor. This chipset also offers powerful performance, delivering a smooth and responsive user experience. It is coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Both phones excel in terms of performance, handling everyday tasks with ease. They are capable of running demanding apps and games without any noticeable lag or stutter. The Poco X6 Pro's Snapdragon 870 processor is known for its efficiency, resulting in good battery life. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus's MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor, on the other hand, offers excellent performance per watt, making it a power-efficient choice. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference and specific usage patterns. The Poco X6 Pro features a triple camera setup on the rear. The main camera boasts a 64MP sensor, capable of capturing detailed and vibrant images. It is accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide camera for capturing wider scenes and a 2MP macro camera for close-up shots. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus also sports a triple camera system. Its main camera boasts a 108MP sensor, delivering exceptional detail and clarity. It is paired with an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP depth sensor for capturing portraits with pleasing background blur. Both phones excel in capturing high-quality images in various lighting conditions. The Poco X6 Pro's 64MP camera produces images with excellent detail and color accuracy. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus's 108MP camera, however, captures even more detail, especially in well-lit environments. Both phones offer a range of camera features, including night mode, portrait mode, and professional mode for greater control over settings. They also support video recording at up to 4K resolution. The Poco X6 Pro is equipped with a 5160 mAh battery, providing ample power for a full day of use. It supports 33W fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, on the other hand, packs a slightly smaller 5000 mAh battery. However, it boasts an impressive 67W fast charging capability, enabling you to charge the phone from 0 to 100% in under 45 minutes. Both phones offer impressive battery life, easily lasting a full day on a single charge with moderate usage. The Poco X6 Pro's larger battery capacity gives it an edge for extended usage. However, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus's significantly faster charging speed compensates for its slightly smaller battery. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your charging habits and usage patterns. The Poco X6 Pro and Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus are both competitively priced smartphones, offering a compelling blend of features and performance. The Poco X6 Pro is positioned as a more affordable option, providing excellent value for money. It offers a powerful processor, a capable camera system, and long-lasting battery life at a budget-friendly price. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, on the other hand, commands a slightly higher price tag. It justifies its price with its premium design, impressive camera capabilities, and blazing fast charging speed. Choosing between the Poco X6 Pro and Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus ultimately comes down to your individual needs and priorities. The Poco X6 Pro is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users who prioritize performance and battery life. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, on the other hand, is a great option for those seeking a more premium experience with top-notch camera capabilities and rapid charging. Both phones offer exceptional value for their respective price points, making them worthy contenders in the competitive smartphone market.